Hi everyone, I am Swapnali Shivaji from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Uh, how are you, all of you? I hope so. All of you are fine. And today I am talking randomly, whatever, because I want to talk in English. That's why randomly I want talk in English. And randomly today I have not decided any topic. Just talk in English, any sentence or just talk in English. First of all, I am Swapnali Shivaji from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. And I like playing cricket. I love listening songs and wandering here and there. I love green places like green environment like Mahabaleshwar and all. I like traveling a lot. Go in any occasion or in any I like to travel or attend to any occasion in a good environment. And I have completed my 12th and 10th from Maharashtra State Board with 99 percentage and 65 percentage. And after that, I have completed my graduation from Pune University with 65 percentage and post graduation with 75 percentage. When we are going to school, at that time we have we playing together with friends, go classes going cla- go when going to classes and attend lecture and doing uh, all and this environment is very good, like teacher teaches in mid time break, after that lunch time, and after that we are going to playing cricket or outdoor game, mainly outdoor games. And this is very good environment. After that when come back to home, and after that again we are playing with friends like bicycles, cricket and all, but mostly outdoor games. And after that we take admission for a graduation. In graduation also very good. Environment is very good, like outdoor games also, football, cricket, but in graduation I think we decide about your career or about your destination. uh, you doing a exam, or you prepare for any exam, or if you want to go you want to prepare interview for companies. but uh, in graduation most of the student may enjoy and go here and there. No seriousness about career or our job. Same here. Most students like this. When we are attend that when we are take when attend graduation or doing graduation, no seriousness about graduate, no seriousness about job. But after we finish the graduation and go, go outside, and went to go outside the world, and after that we are shocked. Oh no, that much crowd, how much crowd it is. Lots of students are available for searching a job. How can do this, and what should I do? Like many questions are come in mind of a student. And after that they start to prepare exam or prepare interview. And after that lots of year or 2 3 years going for the searching a job, or make some classes. And like same here, I am also when I am in a graduation, no seriousness about a job. Mm, and after complete my graduation, then what should I do? When I'm doing graduation, I also take admission for some classes, but that classes are not completed by me. But after complete my graduation, I feel very badly, because lots of time are remain for study purpose and other courses also. Big libraries are available in my college. Lots of books are available, teachers available. But that time no one gets serious about the job or about our career. Then after I complete my graduation, then I decided to become to become a lecturer. But that time post graduation is compulsory for the lecturership in engineering. That's why I taken admission for post graduation master of engineering in computer science. I take admission in master of engineering. And then after the when we are complete my master of engineering, at that time new law is come, that is for engineering for an engineering call at engineering college for lectureship. PhD is also compulsory. At that time I decided, lots of confusion in my mind. I also got job in a lecturership, but for a diploma purpose. And while I doing a lecturership on a diploma, that experience is not count in a degree that is a engineering college or uh, mm, degree college, not count the experience of a diploma lecturership. That's why I'm little bit confused. What should I do? How it is? Then I'm getting a depression. No way available. What should I do? I doing graduation. I'm doing post graduation. Till I have no job, or the job is got in a diploma college. That at that time, for a time I take a break and decide what should I do and what to make my career in. At that time, one of my friend tell about the CNC web world. And in graduation, lots of languages are available like C plus plus, Java. But that time no seriousness about that languages and all. I am not concentrate about that languages, and that's why I'm not interested in Java or any other languages to make a coding. And I'm interested in a lecturership. But in a lecturership also lots of competition means lots of require a big reference or a strong reference for entering in a big college. And that's why I'm one of my friend tell me about the CNC web world. And I talk with the Prashant sir, and they guide very well. And my mistakes are solved. And due to my mistakes are solved by Prashant sir. Mistake or a confusion. And sir, tell me about the deep knowledge about the courses, how it going, syllabus and all. At that time, I think I decided. I At that time I thought, I'm not interested in Java and other languages. And I think front end is a good. Uh, and I think this, and I thought this is very interesting. That's why I decided to take admission in a CNC web and make my career in a front end developer. By and When I joined CNC web, my teacher, my trainer is a Shilpa Nikhare ma'am, and that ma'am is also very good and teaches very well. Every concept, every large concept or small concept, or easy or difficult concept, ma'am teaches very easily. Or if any student if any student not get any topic or ask any question, at that time ma'am solve any queries within a second. uh, Within a second. That's why I think CNC Web World is a very good platform for to make our career or to increase our knowledge. For make career is a good best, but it is also good for increase our knowledge. Because they can't focus only for a job and all that. They focus first of all student get a deep knowledge about that, and after that they going through a process about the job. Because without knowledge, how other you hire for the you are hired for the company. Without knowledge, no anyone hire for you. That's why they give us deep knowledge. Each and every concept taken by a ma'am. That thank you so much, ma'am, for a big support, and Prashant sir also. Thank you so much, sir. And also, lots of students are come from a rural area. They afraid about the or phobia about the communication in English. I'm also from a rural area. That's why I thought in English, but when I speak in English, some words, some concept, I can't put in front of another person in English. I'm afraid how I can handle, how I can talk. That's why Prashant sir and all staff conducted a English hackathon courses for increase the communication in English, and other classes also taken classes, but they apply fees. But in CNC Web WORLD, they for a job they get knowledge also, they they provide also for increase our communication for a student. And they all are very helpful. They not focus on only for money. They focus only on how student increase that how students increase our knowledge, increase communication skill. They are very helpful for a needy person and all. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. And because of Prashant sir, I decided to make my career in a front end developer. And Shilpa ma'am teaches very well. That's why I am comfortable in a I am comfortable with that. And yes, uh, yes, my mom is a teacher. My father is also teacher, but last year they get retired. My I have one brother, and they and he I have one brother, and he is in last year of a BMS in Nashik. And I have one younger sister. She is also Master of Engineering, and recent and she doing job in a Grapes Research Center in Pune. That's all. And I think every student makes serious. I think every student takes serious in in graduation 10th and 12th. We decide our career. What should I do? What to make? How in which field you are make career? Because when we are graduated and after that decide how in which field make career, how in which way to we want to go. And that and lots of time I go, and after that we search for a job, and it is very difficult task. That as per my experience, I told, because in graduation I am take serious about job. After that, what should I do? Yeah, that's fine. After that we take a admission for any classes, and after that, yeah, it is very difficult because when we are learning when we are learning, that is when we are in a complete a graduation or doing graduation first year, second year, third year, and I'm in a flow that languages and all, and our mind is set about the study purpose, and scientifically prove that the when uh, when our and when our year is go increases, or age is increases, and age is increases, our memory capacity is also decreased by day. when when we are school colleges, our memory is very sharp. Our memory is very sharp. That's why I am request to all students who focus only focus on job, or uh, focus on a job or study material when we are in school days or in a college days, because those days are very important for enjoyment also and our career also. Because when we are completed graduation, and then decision what we make. At that time we are in tension, how in tension or depression, we can't get proper knowledge, and get depression. That's why take serious, not a 12 and 18 hour lectures or a student. not to 12 or 18 hours lectures or studies required. Only focus, only study focus. Yeah. And thank you so much, sir, because sir organized the English hackathon for a communication skill, and it is very helpful for helpful for improve our communication skill. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you.